If someone offered you a job with Amazon, Facebook, or Google tomorrow, you probably wouldn't question it right away. In fact, most people wouldn't, including myself. You'd probably feel lucky because work from home jobs are one of those things that gives you the opportunity for extra income, more flexibility, or just another path to escape your 9 to 5. And that's exactly why these scams work so well, because what feels like an opportunity is actually a setup. Right now, scammers are using big dog names like Facebook, Amazon, and Google to steal thousands of dollars from people who are just trying to find legitimate work from home jobs. And the people that are falling for these scams are not careless, but they are parents who are trying to feed their families, students who are trying to make extra income on the side, and professionals who are trying to build freedom for their lives. When victims receive this opportunity, the job looks real, the emails look professional, and even the job offer letter looks official. And by the time someone realizes what's happening, the money's already gone. So in this video, we're breaking down how these scams actually work, why even smart people fall for them, and how to protect yourself before one application turns into a financial mistake that you cannot undo. Alright? Let's get into it and explain why these scams are everywhere. To understand why this happened, you have to look at what changed. After COVID in 2020, work from home jobs started exploding. At that time, millions of people opened up their laptops, blew the dust off, and started searching for flexible remote work that could fit around their lives. And when that type of demand shows up, as you know, opportunity follows. But this is not just for real companies, but this is for scammers too, because if someone reaches out, says that they're hiring for a random company, people normally hesitate. But if they say that Amazon is looking for a virtual product reviewer or Google is looking for virtual assistants, something changes. And in those moments, your guard drops because those names feel familiar, legitimate, and safe. And to be honest, saying that you work for a company like Google is definitely a flex that you can talk about with your friends. But I will say this, that's exactly what scammers are leveraging, because they're not building trust, but they're borrowing it from your vulnerability. Oh, and by the way, now that you have some context on why these scams are everywhere, you can now check out this video above, because it complements this section perfectly, because it's currently an employer's market. And it's been an employer's market for a while now, and that's one of the reasons why victims feel the urgency to fall for these scams too. Okay, back to it. How do these scams work? Most victims don't realize that they're in the middle of a scam until the very end, because at the beginning, everything feels normal. What happens at first is you see a job posting online, maybe on social media, a job board, or sometimes even in your email. You glance at the description, the role sounds simple, the pay sounds solid, and the flexibility sounds perfect for your lifestyle. Next thing you know, you get a response, sometimes within a few hours, and everything feels like it's moving in your favor. There might be a short interview, but it's often done through chat or messaging instead of a real conversation. Still, nothing feels off yet. The recruiter sounds professional and they sound organized. And finally, almost too easily, you're told that you got the job. That moment right there should feel like a win, but in reality, that's where the trap is set. You will need to purchase equipment in order to work from home, or in order to get started, you'll need to download our specific software. In a perfect world, that sounds structural and official, but it's not, because the moment you send money or hand over personal information, the scam is now complete. Or by the time that the check bounces or the communication stops, the damage is already done. At the core, there are financial mechanics behind the scam, and every version built behind it all shares the same idea. And that idea is separating you from either your money or your identity. In some extreme cases, you send money up front, and that's just pure profit for the scammer that's on the other end. And in way more serious situations, your personal information can get used for identity fraud, and sometimes that can take months, if not years, to recover from. Moral of the story, each version is designed differently, but the outcome is the same. Loss. So there's this thing to where even smart people fall for it. Even though smart people do fall for this scam, I want to make one thing clear. This has nothing to do with intelligence, but it has everything to do with timing and emotion. Because work from home opportunities represent something bigger than just a paycheck. It represents freedom, flexibility, and time with family. So when someone believes that they landed a remote job with a major company, excitement starts to take over, and when it comes to logic, it gets quieter. later. That's exactly why they create urgency. They tell you you need to act fast. They tell you that positions are limited. And they tell you you need to secure your spot today. They also lean heavily on authority, which include email signatures and professional language. And when someone needs income or wants change, it becomes a lot easier to move forward without questioning anything. Alright, let's now wrap this up with red flags and how to protect yourself. Once you understand the patterns, the warning signs becomes clearer. No legitimate company is going to ask you to pay once you're hired. That's not how the hiring process works. If you're asked to purchase equipment before you're officially onboarded, that should immediately raise questions. If the entire hiring process is happening through messaging without a formal interview, that's another signal. And if the company's email address does not match the official domain, that's also something that you should not ignore. So said differently, if the name at company.com does not match the same format of someone that already works there, you should pause. There's also something important that you should remember. The biggest advantage that you have is slowing down. Before you apply to any new jobs going forward, do this. Apply directly through company's official website instead of clicking links. Verify and do research on any recruiters that you're talking to. Research the company independently, and if you want to, use ChatGPT and do a deep research. And never, and I mean never, send money for a job. If something feels rushed, there's usually a reason for that. The best protection that you have comes from verification, and those are the steps that we just went over. Work from home opportunities are not the problem. The problem is scammers that are attaching themselves to trusted names. Because when you hear names like Google, Amazon, or Facebook, it immediately creates trust that a lot of people don't question. And that's exactly what gets exploited. So the next time you hear about an opportunity, don't just get excited. Get curious, because no legitimate job will ask you to pay in order to get paid, and Money Talks Media will never lead you in the wrong direction. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.